how to clear cache on your Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear cache on your Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon. Now all you need to do is click on settings and you have the option number 4, which is storage and data. Click on it and here you have manage storage. Click on it to free up space on your Amo application. Like you see, you have clear cache of Amo. You can click on clear to clear cache does not affect the normal use of Amo. Click on it and click on clear, and like you see, memory freed up. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.